Hello everyone, this is my Data620 graph visualization assignment work. In this assignment, I have focused on the Amazon product co-purchasing network dataset and have performed some basic graph analysis, which includes graph diameter and some other metrics such as clustering coefficient, weakly connected components, and degree centrality. The dataset contains approximately 3.3 million edges. As this is a very big scale dataset, I have utilized here a subset of 1000 edges of the dataset, and the dataset was collected from Stanford University's large dataset collection, and here is the link for the dataset. So the assignment has three parts. In part 1, coding, below provide an overview of 1000 records of the Amazon product network dataset, and here I have utilized Python pandas, network X, and matplotlib libraries. And this is the URL through which I have imported the dataset from my GitHub. Here I have imported it as a data frame, and then I have taken a subset of first 1000 edges of the dataset, and then I have printed the shape of this subset. And here's a brief overview of the subset. As you see that the number of nodes is more than 400,000, and the edges is almost 3.38 million. And these two basically are indicating the two column. The first one is the source product, and the second column is for the target product. So here each row basically corresponds to a directed link showing the customers who bought the source product also bought the target product. For example, row 0/T1 indicates the product 0 is linked to product 1, and similarly row 0/T2 indicates the product is linked to product 2, which means that customers who bought product 0 also bought products 1 and 2. Again, as this is a very large scale dataset, so for this assignment I've used a subset of 1000 edges. So basically this code is for creating a CSV file which will be used for creating Gephi visualization. And if you see the summary, it's a subset for Gephi, and the number of edges is 1000 and the number of unique node is 361. So here is the part 2 coding. Here basically I've created the graph, and I've got some basic graph information along with some other metrics. And finally I have created the graph visualization. So at first I have defined the graph, and then I have created the directed graph, and then I have computed the basic graph information. And here I have utilized different functionalities from network X library. So here is the summary. The number of nodes is 361, number of edges is 1000, number of weakly connected component is 1. So then I have determined the graph diameter, average clustering coefficient, degree centrality. It is notable here that to determine the graph diameter, I have used an if-else conditional code to understand that which graph diameter will be computed here. So as you see that the code here computed the largest strongly connected component graph diameter, which is 8, and the average clustering coefficient is 0.2 to 1, and I have also here computed 5 nodes by degree centrality, and they are the top 5 nodes, and they are 12, 44, 36, 5, and 34, and their degree centrality is ranging from 0.083 to 0.1. And as you see that node 12 has the highest degree centrality of 0.1. So these 5 products are the most influential products, meaning these products appear in many co-purchase links and act as central hubs in the network. So overall, this analysis helps us understand which products are most influential in co-purchasing behavior and how tightly the network is connected. And finally, I have created the graph visualization. I have utilized here functionalities from functions from Matplotlib, and here is the final look of my graph. As you see that this is an Amazon co-purchasing network, and it has 1,000 edges and 361 nodes. So here I have applied Spring Layout, which places related products closer to each other, and also I have applied node color, size, age, transparency to highlight the network structures. And here the levels, the numbers basically, they reflects product IDs. So a graph visualization has been created by using Gephi visualization tool, and the necessary information is also displayed there in a separate report. So in summary, this analysis helps us finding products that are most influential in co-purchasing and how strongly they are connected in the network. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much again.